Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Ricky. So today we have a very exciting device to unbox here. We have the brand new Honor 10 that was only launched yesterday in Europe, and I'm so grateful to go to the event. So let's get into the unboxing and setup video. So a massive thank you goes out to Honor, who did invite me to the event yesterday down in London. It was a really great event. It was nice to see the keynote live and also get hands-on with the new Honor 10. And it does look very stylish. So Honor 10 is their flagship model for 2018, and this is for the brave. That's their sort of main tagline, and beauty in AI. The device comes in 4 stunning colors. There's midnight black, phantom blue, phantom green, and phantom gray. So looking around the device here, very clean, very clear packaging. Not much at all to really talk about. Just on the side there, it's got that shimmer and shine that you're going to see on the back of the device, which is great, and it says Honor 10. So it's such a great experience to go down to actually a live press event as well. So this device is running EMUI 8.1 and Android 8.1 as well. If we get a slow reveal here. So here's the device on top. It's powered by a Huawei Kirin processor, which is a 970. That's an octa-core processor, 4 cores running at 2.36 GHz and 4 running at 1.8 GHz. Storage-wise, it's either 64 or 128 GB, so it depends what model you choose, and also on location. So I'm actually not going to show you the back of this yet. That's where the real surprise comes in. Has 4 GB of RAM. So inside you'll see our SIM tool here. We just lift this up. So inside here you will get a free case as well to protect your device, and also you'll get your paperwork in the actual full launch product. So this is exclusively with 3 at the moment on pay monthly contract, and also is available on Simfree from our multi different stores here in the UK for £399. So here you can see USB. This will be a 3-pin plug for the UK, and it is actually USB-C charging and syncing, which is great. So here you'll find your USB-C to USB for syncing and charging. Also in here you will receive headphones as well. So the device has 3,400 mAh battery, so it has a lot of battery. So let's move this all out of the way and I can really show you more about this great device. So let me just take this off here, and if I just flip this around, you can see this shimmer and this great design that this device has. Absolutely beautiful. This is the phantom blue and just shimmers and shines in every different light. And they do have so many different colors as well, like I discussed. Even if you tilt it to one angle, you're going to get a nice purple effect there. As you can see on the back there, we do have a very impressive dual camera setup that I do want to talk about slightly in a little bit. Turning around to the front, you have a nice big display. It's a 5.84-inch display, and the resolution is 2280 by 1080p. It's a full HD plus display with over 16 million colors and a PPI of 432. So let's power this on. So as this is powering on, I just want to talk about this dual camera on the back here. This is where it's very impressive. This is what they were discussing about during the main event as well, is the rear camera. So you have a 24 megapixel sensor and a 16 megapixel sensor, and that is 4K recording, f1.8 wide aperture, 3-in-1 faster focusing as well, and it can recognize 22 real-time AI objects and sceneries depending on what you're taking. Has a very clever system that can adjust and change your pictures so it can really identify who it is, where it is, and what the objects are. And I'll be testing all of this out as well. I just love this shimmer and shine that we get on the device. So we turn back around to the front here. So as you can see, as it's just booting up here, we do have a notch design again. A notch seems to be very popular in 2018. It's on my Huawei device as well that I'm testing, and we will have a comparison. So as it's just loading up, I just want to turn back around and just look at the shimmer and shine that you get on this back here. It just looks beautiful in every light. So for protection, I am going to put on the free case it does come with, just so it does stay protected and I can really show it off as well in its best light. So it's very nice that they do provide a gel case. You'll get this with your phone as well. It's in the retail one as well as the press. So you will protect your device here. So obviously you will lose that shine a little bit, but it will still reflect with the light. So coming around now, we're all set up and we're ready to go through the setup phase here. So we're in our setup phase. I just want to jump into vision settings, and in vision settings, I can then change the font. I can scrub along here make it lovely and big and very easy for me to read, as you do know that I do have a visual impairment. So we have English, United Kingdom, so we can hit next. We haven't got a SIM card in at the moment, so we can actually skip this here if you want to. We have end user license agreement that we have to agree to use the device. Then you move on to user experience improvement projects, which you can join, and you have to agree. With this, you can agree to your Wi-Fi Plus. So this will use your data and your Wi-Fi, and then your location for weather will be improved as well. Then it's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi and set up your Wi-Fi. So once this is done, it will go blue. We can hit next. Now it's just checking for any software updates. Then we have the option to set up as new device or copy your data. I'm going to set up as new. Then it's going to ask you to either log in or sign up to a Google Gmail account. And this is where you can get all your apps, games, movies, TV shows, and music. So sign in, or if not, create an account. So protection of your brand new device is key, and also I always recommend this. So this device can unlock with your face, or it does have a key feature that I did save till last to tell you about, is the fingerprint is actually built into the display. There's actually no button down here at the bottom whatsoever. The fingerprint is actually built in to the display, and that is awesome. So we're going to set up. So you're going to need a PIN, pattern, or password to start off with. We're going to start with a pattern. So draw a simple pattern. So then it will ask you to sign in with HUAID. I'm actually going to do this a little bit later on. Now you have the option to use a cloud backup or phone clone. We're not actually going to do that for the moment. We're going to hit skip. So then you have cloud services that you can enable. I'm going to say not now. So now we move on to the key feature here. We're setting the fingerprint ID and setting face unlock. So I'm going to show you the fingerprint because it is built into the display and it's absolutely awesome to see. So all you do is you place actually on the display. So all I'm doing is pressing just down here at the bottom, move my finger around everywhere. There we go, my fingerprint is all set up, so we can hit OK. Then we can set face unlock, and then you'll need to look at your device. Okay, so it's recognized my face, but the camera was in shot there, so we're going to go agree. Then you come to the option of choosing to install apps straight away, or you can press cancel here. Then we move on to meet your Google Assistant. We can talk to Google. Then EMUI, like I said, it's running EMUI 8.1 and Android 8.1, so we can get started here. So there are some features that are out now, and then some features that will come soon, and one of them is some new wallpapers that will come in later on in this month, and also a very clever gallery that will identify your photographs and put them into different people right from birth all the way up in age. And the AI that's built into the two rear cameras here can sense that and work very clever to detect sceneries and all different modes. So let's unlock with my face, which was great. That worked straight away. So if I now cover this up and then just unlock here with my finger. There we go, I unlocked with my finger without a button being down there on the display. The notch is small, and you can see there it does bend around a lot more compared to the iPhone X, which is very nice to see. We're all set up now and ready to use. I'm really looking forward to this. The thickness of this device without the case is 7.7 millimeters thick. It's very lightweight as well. It uses a nano SIM, and we do have USB-C for charging down here at the bottom, which is great. And you still have your headphone jack there as well. Let's come back around here. We have a great design as well. We have that Aurora theme that I was talking about, and this phone just looks gorgeous from every angle. Don't want to keep it in the case because it doesn't show off as much, but you do get them beautiful images. I just want to finish up the video by looking at the rear camera here, because that's what the main event was about yesterday, and the AI that's built in here and the beauty in AI. It is a dual lens camera with one sensor having 24 megapixels, one having 16 megapixels, an f1.8 wide aperture, 3-in-1 fast focusing, 22 real-time AI objects and scenarios recognized, and AI recognition on multiple objects as well. You get portrait lighting with this. Turning around to the front, it's a 24 megapixel front-facing camera that can take great selfies. You got facial lighting composition, portrait lighting, and AI portrait mode. Again, some of these features will be at launch, some will be slightly later on in the year. Let's just wake it back up and let's jump in to the camera application here. So it's just saying here that we can swipe along the bottom. We're going to allow a location so we can take great photographs. So you just swipe along, you can move through into the different modes that they have here. Again, I will be testing this out just to let you know how we're getting on. Again, you can see all the different modes here that you can choose from. Then also, if you use the smart camera, the auto AI will pick up what you're taking and make great images. A massive thank you goes out to Honor for the invite to the press event. It was great to be there, met a great amount of YouTubers, media, and all different people just so interested in a great device. Like I said, this device is available through 3 exclusively on their pay monthly plans. The link will be in the description. It's also Simfree in the UK from a range of different stores, and I will find the best price and put it in the description for you, but I think the standard price is £399. And you are getting a really good device here with a great shimmer and a great shine. Thanks always for watching. A massive thank you again to Honor for inviting me to the event and giving me a phone to test and review. Any videos you'd like to see on this device, please do let me know. Please give the video a thumbs up, as it does help. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit that little bell as well to stay notified when I release a new video. From me, Ricky, and the Shimmer and Shine Honor 10 here, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.